Hi! If you've also torn the wires on your Apple AirPods or any other small earbuds, today I'll show you how to fix them. Just grab a soldering iron kit and repair your earbuds. This way you can save money instead of buying a new headphones. Remove the double-sided tape to access the main board, and try to pull it out slightly so it's easier to solder the wire. As you can see, I have two broken wires. One green wire from the speaker driver, and one white wire that looks like the antenna wire. Start by holding the earbud in place with a small clip or clamp so it doesn't move around. Solder the broken wire back to the speaker driver. Then, on the main board, find the contact point where the antenna wire came off and solder it back. When all the wires are soldered back in place, reassemble the earbud. Glue the battery back in, and put the speaker driver back into position. Then close the earbud housing, making sure both halves align correctly. Once you've assembled the earbud, test if it works. And if everything is fine, open it again and use a bit of super glue to seal both halves together. This will prevent the earbud from popping open again and damaging the wires. I hope this was helpful. Good luck with your repair.